Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Zardy from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in pencil first and tracing with a pen after. We'll start with the shape of the face. Draw a semicircle here. Then starting from the left side, draw a long S-curve across the top of the head like this. This will be for the brim of the hat. Let's draw the eyes next. Under the left side of the hat, draw a curved line down. And then a shorter curve on the left. Now connect the two lines with an angled curve to close off the eye. Do the same thing on the right side. Next, above the left eye, draw two curved lines with a gap in between. And then a curve above the right eye. And one more curve underneath. Let's draw the mouth next. Starting under the left eye, draw a curve down and over to the bottom right. Now add some straight lines across the mouth for the stitches. Next, draw a curved rectangular shape coming out from the right side of the mouth. And then erase the face line inside. Let's draw the hat next. From under the right brim of the hat line, draw a curve down into the side of the face. Then do the same thing on the left, but curving it up instead of down. Now above on the left, draw a curve down. And then again on the right, but in the opposite direction. Next, add an S-curve in between these lines. Now let's draw the top of the hat. Draw a small curved line on the left here. Then add a long bent line above it. Now move over to the right side and draw an angled line down and curve it down to the brim. This line should end above where the side of the face is. Now on the top left, draw a line up. And then for the top of this line, draw a line down, dipping it up and then back down to close off the hat. Let's draw the neck next. Draw a short angled line down under the left side of the head. And then a longer line to the right. Now starting from under the left line, draw a curve over to the right side like this. Let's draw the shoulders next. From the right side of the neck, draw a line out and then curve it down and out. Do the same thing on the left side. Now underneath, slightly towards the right side, draw a V shape. Then connect the shoulder lines in on both sides. Let's add some details to the shirt next before continuing the body. Draw 3 small triangles along the top neckline. And then add a border along the bottom edge like this. Let's draw the rest of the shirt next. Draw the sides down. and then a curve across the bottom. Let's draw the arms now. Draw 2 diagonal lines down on the left side. And then connect them with a curved line. Let's draw the hand next. From the top, draw a line out and then curve it back in. Now draw a curved line for the thumb. And then one more curve to connect it back to the arm. Lastly, add one more small curve inside here. Let's draw the other arm now holding the microphone. Draw the top of the arm with a short line down, and then an angled line up and out. Let's draw the hand now that's holding the microphone. Draw a curved bent line. Then draw 3 fingers on an angle here like this. Add one more finger at the top. Then draw the back of the hand with bumps down, but don't close off the hand. Leave a gap for the handle. Next, draw the thumb in the gap at the top here with a U shape. And then add one more curve inside the hand here. Next, add 2 long diagonal lines down to the left in the gap we left. Now finish off the bottom side of the arm with a bent line. Let's draw the top of the microphone now. Continue the handle lines above the hand. Then add a curve across the top. And then add short lines up on either end. Now add a large circle at the top. And then add the detailed lines inside. At the end of his microphone is a hoe tool. Let's draw that now. Draw a long curve shape at the bottom of the handle. And then another curve under it. Connect the lines on the right. Now on the left side, draw 2 lines inside like this. Now connect them at the bottom, and then connect the tops to the sides. Let's draw the legs now. Draw a small curved line under the shirt here. Then draw the outside of the left leg with a line down that dips in and back out at the knee. Now do the same thing for the inside of the leg. Now connect the lines at the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the other leg to the right in a similar way behind the hoe. Next, let's add his belt. Draw 2 short lines down from the waist, and then connect them with a curved line. Now add 2 smaller same sections on the sides. Lastly, let's draw his boots. Under the left leg, draw a diagonal line down on either side. Then add a small upside down V in the middle. and then connect both sides to the V. Next, underneath, come in and draw another set of diagonal lines. Then angle them both outwards. And then a curve to close off the shape of the foot. Lastly, add a curved line down the center of the foot. Let's draw the right foot in the same way, but angle it out to the right like this. And that's it for Zardy. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.